We believe that engaging kids in an imaginative way in the learning process can be achieved through new technologies. So we're proposing this Alexa app submission to the hackathon in order to use storytelling as a tool to motivate kids to engage in compelling scenarios that provide facts and challenge their knowledge of the world that surrounds them. Our value proposition focuses around four different areas. The experience has to be interactive for the kid and the most customized experience possible. The knowledge being shared has to be appealing and has to be transmitted to characters that are that the kids can relate to. So both the facts and the challenge questions that are presented are focused on achieving that. And we also believe that a community-based collaboration is critical. So we created this framework to allow parents and teachers to add questions, facts, characters, and scenarios as easy as possible without having to modify the whole application. In terms of features, we focus on five different things. The narration of the stories is um, is very friendly, and each character has its speech and rate that can be more fresh on the interaction with the kid. The facts and the questions being presented are general culture ones, and usually each character on a specific place has its contextual questions. In terms of Echo Show, we use images to accompany the story. In the future, we will use render templates and customized illustration to make it more kid friendly. And finally, every interaction, every explanation that the character provides tries to be as most contextual as possible. So even when the kid got the correct answer, the application provides more context to him. In terms of architecture, Lambda is the core, but instead of having all the code running all the options, we store all the configuration files for characters, places, scenarios, natural language connector, everything is stored in S3, and that way we can modify that information as we want, parents and teachers as well, and use it in the future. The DynamoDB table is our session store table and enable us to do an aftermath study on how the kid behaves within that specific experience that he or she has. So the idea there is to fix the storytelling, fix the application to make sure that it's the most compelling story possible. Everything is monitored to CloudWatch, so we make sure that the interaction errors between the interaction model and the Lambda are minimized or not existent. And basically that's it. That's the technical component. We're going to go now to a demo. So for that purpose, we use the test simulation beta tool that is available on the developer console. To make it faster, I'm going to type the questions. I'm going to summon the application and get a quick message of
Welcome to Learn
welcome.
with Imagination, the place where we can have amazing adventures. We can go to any of these places, castle, forest, or island. If you want, you can ask for help now. Otherwise say, let's play. What's your name?
Luis?
Is Louis your name?
Yes? Yes?
Nice. Where do you want to go?
Forest?
Okay, Louis, let's go to the forest. In the middle of two towns, there is a magic forest. It's very big and has many animals, beautiful flowers, and the tallest trees. Emily is outside the forest, and she has to go through it to visit her friends. She's been waiting for someone to join her. Emily didn't want to go alone because the magic forest is guarded by animals who will only grant passage to those who answer their questions. Let's help Emily go through the forest and visit her friends. Which path should we take to begin our adventure? To the left or to the right?
I'm going to say left.
Okay, let's move on. We got to the waterfall and there is a jaguar. The jaguar says,
Yay, a visitor. Hear this. The Central African forest has more than 8,000 species of trees.
and then says,
Answer the next question to continue. What is the tallest animal on land? Giraffe, elephant, or bear?
The jaguar says,
You got it. Awesome. Giraffes, which can grow to a height of 18 feet, are the tallest land animals. They live in Africa, but you can find one in your nearest zoo for sure. You can go on.
Great, Lewis. Let's move on. Where should we go now? To the left or to the right?
So here the kid can continue with the adventure. I'm gonna say outside for time purposes.
Now that we're outside, we can choose where to go. So, what's it going to be? Castle, forest, or island? You can also say leave if you want to leave.
Since we are not going to continue, I'm gonna say leave, and basically that's it.
Okay,
So
Lewis.
thank you
It was
very
nice
much.
playing together. I hope to